Hello everyone! Today I want to show you how to make lentil soup the easiest way. Bring a pot, put 2 cups of lentils washed and drained, add 10 cups of water, one small potato cut into cubes, 1 cup of onion, also chopped, and 6 cloves of garlic, also cut into small pieces, 1 cup of cilantro chopped also, 1.5 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of coriander, and 1 tablespoon of pepper, half a can of tomato paste, add 3 tablespoons of olive oil. It is very important, the olive oil with the lentil soup. Mix all the ingredients together very well. Bring the heat to high. Let it boil. When it starts boiling, bring the heat to medium-high and just mix. Make sure the lentils don't stick to the bottom of the pot because it will burn. So keep, every 1 minute, just stir it. Now my lentils the sauce got a little bit evaporated and the lentils didn't cook, so I add 2 cups of water. Mix it. Cover it and let it boil for 5 to 8 minutes. When you see the sauce a little bit thick and the lentils is cooked, just mix it. Add 2 tablespoons of parsley or cilantro, doesn't matter, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil again. Just mix it, turn off the stove, and just serve. And put some olive oil, there is olive oil, whatever, 1 teaspoon, 1 tablespoon. Garnish it with parsley, and bon appetit. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share with family and friends. Thank you.